Apple just officially turned a corner at the Worldwide Developers Conference, and the entire tech community is reacting to what might be the most aggressive course correction in the company's modern history. For the past 2 years, the narrative around Apple Intelligence has been a mixed bag of massive promises, slow feature rollouts, and performance complaints. But during the keynote, the engineering team didn't just announce a standard list of minor updates. They introduced iOS 27 with an explicit focus on raw performance, speed, and deep system reliability, according to Apple's official benchmarks. iOS 27 is a massive under-the-hood optimization pass. Apps now launch up to 30% faster than previous versions. Photos show up in your library up to 70% faster immediately after shooting, and AirDrop transfers have received a staggering 80% speed boost. The best news for anyone holding onto older hardware is that Apple confirmed every single iPhone that currently runs iOS 26 will be fully supported by this performance upgrade, meaning devices all the way back to the iPhone 11 will feel instantly faster thanks to a modified central processor. But the undisputed star of the showcase was the debut of what Apple is officially calling Siri AI. Apple has completely rebuilt its voice assistant from the ground up, turning it into a true conversational partner that understands personal context and has full on-screen awareness. In a massive twist that has top tech channels talking, Apple redeveloped this architecture in collaboration with Google and their Gemini family of models. Alongside the standard voice controls, Apple is introducing a dedicated Siri AI app. This app looks and feels like a modern chatbot layout, complete with a full conversation history that lets you type prompts, attach files, adjust speech rates, and pick up right where you left off across your Mac, iPad. The systemic upgrades roll out heavily across native apps too. In Safari, AI features will now automatically categorize and sort your open tabs based on active topics. The Passwords app received a massive security upgrade, moving beyond just alerting you to compromised credentials to actively navigating to eligible websites to automatically reset weak passwords for you with a single tap. In the Photos app, an innovative feature called Spatial Reframing uses AI to intelligently adjust an image's composition and angles after the shot is taken. While the upgraded Image Playground allows for direct on-device image generation, outside of the AI landscape, family safety took center stage with a total overhaul to parental controls and screen time. A new centralized setup assistant allows parents to deploy age-appropriate restrictions instantly across the ecosystem. Features like Ask to Browse will force a notification to a parent's device when a child wants to visit a new website, while time allowances give granular control over custom app schedules for weekdays and weekends. Furthermore, communication safety will now actively intervene to block gore and violent media alongside its existing nudity filters. Even Apple's auxiliary services got significant updates. Apple Maps is deploying an enhanced flyover view that blends aerial imagery with AIs to provide stunning, sharp detail of major global cities, alongside localized trending lists. Find My is adding flexible sharing durations that allow users to stop tracking after a set number of hours or days. And Apple Wallet is getting an intelligent bill-splitting tool utilizing visual intelligence. Even shared albums in iCloud will now finally allow Android and Windows users to contribute high-resolution photos directly into the stream. For power users, Vision Pro headsets are upgrading to Vision OS 27, which introduces visual intelligence, letting you point the device at real-world objects or documents to instantly extract data, alongside a feature that converts standard panoramic photos into deep spatial environments. To close out the event, WWDC 2026 proved that Apple isn't just focused on flashy gimmicks anymore. They are making the existing ecosystem faster, tighter, and fundamentally smarter.